Will it, may I be permitted to mention? Well, at item number 1433 of the appellate side combined list, well, there is some urgency. Well, after filing this writ petition, well, I have taken obtained the information through RTI that well, the tender process which has been awarded to the private respondent, the documents are well, fake, based on which well, he got the tender.
So there is no urgency.
Well,
I'll take up the matter when it is called or mention on 3rd of March for upgradation.
Sure.
May I be permitted to mention one matter, Your Lordship? The matter was filed due to extreme urgency. The matter was filed before the learned honorable vacation bench, but in spite of service upon the respondents, none were present or represented. So the matter was returned to the regular bench. But since then, the matter has ceased to exist in both the monthly list and the daily list. So inclusion of the matter in under the heading of new motion in the daily list is highly required because one 11 kV transformer.
Sir, the vacation is long over.
Yes, Your
Right?
Lordship.
If it has not come in between, you should have taken steps earlier. So don't mention now.
Lord, item number 1722, my lord, I have challenged the maintainability of an original application before the tribunal. Lordship is also CC of some of the matters arising out
tribunal?
of that.
Which
National Green Tribunal.
All right.
Now, my lord, when it was mentioned before the National Green Tribunal that kindly adjourns the matter since the matter is pending before a lordship, the tribunal has directed us to file the order of the High Court by making an interlocutory application. The tribunal's desire is that High Court should pass the order in accordance with their discretion, and we have to file the order before the tribunal.
Yes.
My
So
lord,
what is to be done?
my lord, if your lordship kindly stays the proceedings, my lord, tribunal cannot pass this order.
Wait.
Kindly cease.
Please wait. Nothing
lord,
can be done now.
My lord,
Yes.
I just will place one line. Let the council file interlocutory application within 1 week, bringing the order of the High Court on record. Meaning thereby, it will be according to the tribunal's discretion, the High Court will take up the matter.
Let us see.
Well, the criminal
Kindly
division,
remembers this, I'll mention again.
well, the criminal division petition was disposed
What
of.
you want?
My want is the division was disposed of, directing the line SEJM to rehear the matter. It was remanded back. For the last 8 years, it could not be heard because of the want of file. Right? I have taken out this writ petition against the High Court administration and also the district
Want a file?
They cannot find out
You cannot find out the file.
the office of the line SEJM. I filed representation. I filed put up applications, but they say no order can. The line judge on the last occasion said no order can be passed because the file is not here.
So take steps for reconstruction if the file
My
is
lord,
not traceable.
My lord, the file has to be found out. Otherwise, my lord, the other side will not come. And my lord, the difficulty is that the honorable court directed the remand and my lord, fresh hearing upon both the sides. But I have taken out this writ petition for direction upon the learned court below to trace out the file so that the matter can be heard. For 8 years that I could not do anything.
No, but then don't mention today. When I'll take up matters for inclusion, then mention. I think nothing cannot be now. No, sorry, impossible. Yes, madam.
To mention one matter, Your Lordship. I'm being led by Mr. Sudipta Sarkar.
Just tell me what you want.
Yes. In the monthly list, it is item number 1454, Your Lordship. The urgency is that I'm for Dabur India, Your Lordship. There's a order that has been passed by Food Safety and Standards Authority where my batch of Dabur honey has been asked to be immediately stopped, Your Lordship. And it was passed on 29 January 2025. It's the urgency, Your Lordship. If this matter can be kept today, tomorrow, Your Lordship.
Yes. Third, please mention.
On third, Your Lordship.
Yes, please mention on
I
third.
have your Lordship leave to mention item 2357 of the monthly list.
Don't mention anything because I'm not upgrading. No use mentioning.
Lord, I have taken out an application.
The application will come in its turn. Yes.
Upon extreme urgency, I'm mentioning one matter. This matter was mentioned before it was filed on last day. And Lordship, this matter relates to the activity of the Indian Red Cross Society, Howrah District Branch.
Yes.
Lordship, our accounts have been.
It was mentioned last week by
somebody. I have
somebody.
filed it, Lordship. They kindly take it up in any day. I've given the date on Friday. Lordship,
No, it cannot be done in this way.
Lordship, because urgency is that we cannot operate the bank accounts.
Yes, you cannot operate because there is internal dispute between the management, the district magistrate.
Dispute. We are the signatory.
You are the signatory. There is a
no dispute. Lordship,
there is a dispute. Otherwise, you would not have been here.
Kindly, I will try to satisfy.
Please wait. No, it cannot be done.
The only thing is that we cannot operate it. Lordship, the urgency is that kindly take it up in any.
No, don't operate. Yes.
I'm praying for leave to move this on an urgent basis. But my bid has been cancelled on the ground that e-tender due to necessity of urgent engagement of security personnel. I am
on the ground.
there is a requirement for engaging security personnel. I am
Yes.
the L1 in the tender.
Yes.
The tender has been cancelled because they want to float a new tender because they have to engage new security personnel. Whereas I am already L1. But I do not know the meaning of this kind of cancellation. Now they are going to float a fresh tender where I have disclosed all my bid and everything.
No, fresh tender means everything afresh.
I am saying that for the requirement of urgent requirement of security personnel, that cannot be a ground formula.
You file it in the department. I am not including.
May I beg to mention one matter? This is a new
For?
motion.
For?
My lord, new motion for upgradation, my lord.
No, sorry.
My lord, my lord, new motion. Kindly hear me for 1 minute, my lord. My lord, I have taken a loan from a bank, and my lord, there was a direction for 25,000 monthly EMI. My lord, what the bank is doing, they are deducting my entire salary from the bank account. That is my salary account, and it has become very difficult to run my family, my lord.
You have taken loan. The
My
bank
lord, I
will
have
obviously do
my lord,
it.
25,000 that I am paying, but they are taking the entire salary, my lord.
I do not know why they are taking it. So it cannot be done. Nothing can be done now.
May I permit to mention one matter, Your Lordship, from the daily list, Your Lordship, today's daily list, Your Lordship, item number 85. In this matter, Your Lordship, tender is one tender is given to us from Southeastern Railway, Your Lordship. Right now, it has been terminated, Your Lordship, without any reason, Your Lordship. Once they started retender, we cannot do anything, Your Lordship.
Once they start?
Retender, Your Lordship. And
Retender.
right now, they are threatening us to forfeit our bank guarantee, Your Lordship. So kindly, Your Lordship, hear this matter, Your Lordship.
Please wait. It cannot be taken now.
Permitted to matter for upgradation 1326, my lord. The agency is, my lord, the Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, my lord, invites published a notice inviting application for opening retail outlet dealership, my lord, from the candidate who are being the resident of Panchayat area. My lord, I being the candidate of the Panchayat area, depriving me that they have already going to select a candidate who are the resident of the municipal area, my lord. I have made an objection, my lord. Though in spite of giving objection, my lord, they are going to select the candidate who are being the candidate.
Please mention on 3rd. I'll take it up.
My lord, my interim order, my lord, is expiring on 28th of February 2025, my lord.
Give the number.
My lord.
And notice to the other side.
My lord, I have given.
My contempt application, my lord, for
No, nothing. Call the list.
Lordship, one thing, Lordship,